啊，该开那个。
那边。Okay na, no important na. Ability mo important din. And then the baby is there now. Baby more important mà, you know only.
囡仔该摸出来先啊。
你们帮我抱吧。哎，很咖喱。
OK， 囡仔摸出来先。
你看那边开呀。
脸红红的，哇！
啊，放下去。
放去咖啡店给他喝水先。
来喝水来，给ice cream 吃来ice cream。
啊，这下车了，来啊，安迪抱啊，来乖，安迪抱来，来 baby。你是车主啊？是。啊？你知道你这样子你犯极大的罪吗？
哎呀，我就回去拿手机。
回去拿手机，他的脸红到这样子了，你懂吗？还不脆，你要收买人命了咯，我看你。
满脸红章，你看这个脸红章。
这个镜子100多200块，你啊，这样子他的命值钱呐。
谢谢你啊。
啊 ，OK。
谢。满个脸红章。
给他喝水，给他喝水。
The good-to-go tolls have been a point of controversy for lots of drivers.
But imagine not only getting a toll fee, but a $40 fee every time you cross the 520. That's what happened to a Redmond woman who decided to get Jessie.
November 30th, my Ford Explorer blew the back tire on the 520 bridge, and I ping-ponged against the wall of the bridge, totaling my Explorer.
It's a move many people make. Your car gets totaled, then you get a rental. And that's exactly what Redmond's Audra Getz did.
I went to Fox Rental Car.
Why?
Fox had the best rates.
Soon after Audra returned the car, she got this letter from Violation Management Services. It was about an unpaid 520 toll in a rental.
The toll was $3.70, but that they were going to charge me a $40 service charge for using the bridge in their car.
That's right, a $40 surcharge for driving over the bridge. $40.
$40.
Each trip.
Each time.
Here's Audra's contract, and it's right here in this small print, saying VMS will charge up to $40 for an administrative fee for tolls and parking tickets. I can hear some of you right now. It's all Audra's fault. She should have read the fine print. But that shouldn't have raised a red flag. Most rental car companies do charge an administrative fee for tolls, but we couldn't find anyone charging $40 a trip. Here are a few examples. Enterprise Rental Car charges a $2 administrative fee each trip. After 3 trips, there's no additional charge beyond the toll. Hertz Rental Car charges an additional $2.95 fee per day if you cross 520. And Avis also charges $2.95 a day, that caps the fee at $14.75 per rental. We really try to get Fox's side of the story. We called 4 times. We chatted online, tweeted, but no one could tell us the reasons for the $40 fee. Finally, we went to the SeaTac office, where we found customers who had no idea about it. They didn't say anything about tolls or nothing?
No.
And you know what happens if you go through a toll?
Yep.
What happens?
Well, actually, I don't know.
We finally found the director of Western Operations for Fox Rent-A-Car. And once told of the situation, the company promises it will reduce its administrative fees to $3 to $5 per day, excluding tolls. As for Audra...
Well, one, I would love my money back.
And guess what? Fox says they'll do that, a full refund, plus some additional money for the time spent trying to get this fixed. Fox tells me it has a sign in its lobby that talks about tolls, but the sign says nothing about the $40 administrative charge. Fox explained the fee was set up to handle parking tickets, not tolls. The company says this was all an oversight, and the change will take place this week. Jesse Jones, King 5 News.
And if you need to get Jesse, you could leave him a message at 1-877-51-JESSE. That's 1-877-515-3773. Or you can email him at getjesse@king5.com.